Hey Coconut Kitchen viewers, this is Nicole. I'm at the Norman Manley International Airport now. I'm about to head out to get on my flight to the Bahamas. Again, this is my first time going to the Bahamas, so the next time you see me, I'll be in Nassau.
And the thing, see them over there.
You see the snacks?
You're not gonna eat them. You gonna eat them?
What is that?
Cracker Jack.
Let me see, thank you. What is this? Funyuns. Funyuns, okay.
Yeah.
You want to pick what? Pick something else for me. What else you want to pick for me? What do you want me to have? You know what? I love Cheetos. You know Cheetos?
Why put the Pringles back?
Oh.
Like Cheetos, put them back.
Pringles.
Cheetos puffs?
Which is? What's the puff? What is that? Oh. Oh no.
Okay?
I am a Cheetos fan, so I'll get some Cheetos. Okay. Oops, sorry.
It was an accident.
Oh, thank you. I love Lay's. Let me see what else.
Cookies on the side, crackers, cookies, and... Not you!
I think I'll take us some Cheetos. I can get these, you know.
Okay.
I can get these.
Yeah, that's it?
Yeah, and maybe some fruit too. Where?
Okay.
Alright, so I'm in my friend's backyard in Nassau, and let me tell you, when I stepped out and saw what she has in here, it's like a dream. I don't have any of this in my backyard. She has an ackee tree, alright? You know, ackee is the Jamaican national fruit. It's our national dish. And there's an abundance of trees in here. Banana, pear, they call it pear, to tamarind, coconut. It's awesome. So this is a pear tree or avocado, as the rest of the world says. And what's over here? This is a papaya. Like papaya. Wow, look at these. Amazing. This is an elephant one. Look at that. It's huge. It's a papaya. Oh my god, is that pomegranate? It's a pomegranate tree. Shit. Wow. It's banana over here. Like they have a ackee. This is Jamaica's national fruit right here, the ackee. It's deemed poisonous. Yes, it is poisonous once it's like this, though. You can't pry it open. You have to wait until it opens and all the poisonous air escapes. And then you pick the pods out, clean it, boil it really good so, you know, whatever poisonous gas or poisonous elements is removed from the fruit. And so we have it every day in Jamaica. We eat ackee every day from morning till night. It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we have it with saltfish. Coconut. Several coconut trees. And this is a tamarind tree. Oh my goodness, a tamarind. This is what a tamarind looks like. It's it can be sweet, but it's mostly sour. They use it to make sauces, juices, a whole heap of things. Fabulous. This is the life. Look at how high the pear tree grows, or the avocado tree. Oh, childhood memories, cherries. I used to pick them in my grandmother's, or my great-grand-aunt's garden, actually.
Some green ones. They should be ready before you leave.
I can't tell when last I've seen a cherry tree. It's been years. It's been years.
We met this tree in Olympia. This is Thompson. You have to go on the fruits and stuff.
You have a soursop tree too?
Right there. The same one right here.
Oh. Oh my gosh. I love soursop.
Yeah.
I don't see any on it though.
No, I think I took on the ones that were ripe already.
Man. Huh?
They charge plenty for salsa fruits over here.
Mm.
We don't have, I guess, like that many trees. People try to grow trees now.
I saw a sub tree here. I was.
That's a white guava tree.
Where's the guava tree?
White guava.
White guava. Oh, guava. Okay.
White guava. It's called definitely from guava.
But this looks like is this a pomegranate? Is this the guava?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks similar to the bottom of the pomegranate there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's the white guava.
Listen to me now. I mean the pear is like gold. The pear is like gold. All right, let me have this cherry. So what's the name of the place that we're going?
Shay Shay's Takeaway.
Shay Shay's Takeaway.
Yeah, my
so
first time going there.
Oh, this is Kelly's first time. This is my first time.
Because I heard their food is really good. Like come so.
Okay.
We'll check them out some minute. It's on St. Vincent Road, off St. Vincent Road. Okay. Just nearby Calvin.
Very colorful license plates. Kind of reminds me of what I saw of is it Aruba or Curacao? No, Curacao. Curacao has a lot of colorful buildings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I really do the Caribbean. I'm like island hopping, country hopping.
By the way, I guess I did say that this is my first time in this country, but guess what? This is my first time meeting my friend.
Yeah, that too. That too. Double. Hi. That too.
Exciting times. the traffic is supposed to be bad. It's normally bad on Saturday.
Yeah. Everybody be out. It's too much. And then it's gonna be hot outside too.
The patriotism in Bahamas is very pronounced. Everybody, I've seen a few cars with 2 flags.
Yeah, here and there, yeah. The feather's just gone.
Yeah, I don't see this in Jamaica.
No?
You will see, not like this. Or maybe, it's because the independence was recently.
Yeah,
Okay, look,
yeah,
there's flags right there on the gate. Oh, so the independence was July 10. So this is, so okay, that explains
That's
it.
the number.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so I guess it's the same.
Yeah.
They only care about the country during independence. It's like everything is great about the country during independence. After independence and before independence, it's like it's the worst place.
Yeah. We're missing it. We love it here though.
Yeah.
Just the government and, bureaucracy and all that bullshit. Every country issues our common goals.
Yeah. Not enough money, right?
Yeah.
Not
Always,
enough opportunities.
Always underpaid. Yeah,
Underpaid.
Not enough opportunities.
I mean, it's paradise, but you need money to survive. to really live the way you'd want to live. It's true, you know.
Rich, just say paradise. It's ours too, but
Yeah.
and like a small scale paradise. But
Oh, there's a Jamaica Bahama imports truck right there.
Yeah, yeah. Their warehouse is off the highway.
Oh. So, we're working together, man.
JBI, coconut milk, JBI, corned beef,
Okay.
beans, drinks, I think maybe drinks too. I think so. And tea too, I think.
All right, I just had a funny moment a while ago. I was telling Kelly that I didn't know the Bahamas. Well, not that I didn't know that it had it on me. I just didn't know what it was. And so on Facebook, we were having a discussion about the reggae Grammy. You remember?
And I said,
And she was like all hopping mad about these white people doing reggae music. So then she mentioned rake and scrape, and I was like, what? Rake and scrape? That is the name of Bahamian music, guys. Rake and scrape. Then I went on YouTube to Google a rake and scrape song, and the first one that came up, guess what? Guess which one it was?
what one it was?
Roach on my bread.
Roach on my bread.
I was like, what the hell does that mean, roach on my bread? First of all, I don't like roaches. So then I said to myself, I'm not gonna like this music at all because it's talking about roaches. And then I learned that roach on my bread means cheating.
Cheating, yeah.
Oh, like in Jamaica, that's when somebody said they might get bun, they might get your bun. They're cheating on you. So who is the roach? The roach is the other person.
It's the cheetah and the bread.
The roach is the cheetah and the bread is the other person.
Well, the roach is the man and the bread is woman. There's no bread, vagina.
Bread is vagina? I don't think I can put this on the video, but they will edit it. So bread means vagina. In Bahamas, bread means a vagina. That is funny, bread.
Yeah.
Why though? Because it's the most like popular thing or important.
They used to say like, okay, like some of the guys used to say like, okay, your vagina fat like bread. So
wow, bread.
Bread. You see, work.
Oh,
You get that from Purity Bakery. They're gonna bake you something called Purity Bakery, sell bread.
Oh, we have Purity. Is Purity Bahamian or Jamaican? I think it's for Jamaican. I think it's Jamaican.
I think it's Bahamian.
But we need to go research that.
For Purity up on Market Street, way by
Purity
Tiago
Bakery.
School. Yeah, Tiago School and the old Archdiocese. Anglican Church? Yeah.
Bread. In Jamaica, we what fruit? We commodity of it now. They have different words for it, but like punani, everybody know that.
Oh yeah, I know punani and
Pom pom,
yeah.
They call it eagle eye.
Yeah, I know spice. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it's not compared to an actual food.
No, they say bread. They say cunny. Cunny is the slack.
Or they do compare it to a food. It's called a chocho.
Chocho.
Do you know what chocho is? I don't even know what chocho. It's like a ground provision.
Okay, no.
Yeah. And you know what? And I think it has a lot of prickly things on the outside.
Oh,
I think that's what it is. I think that's right.
Rambutanic.
You know, I
like
don't.
Like reddish brownish on the outside.
I think
like
it's green.
Green.
It's green. They put it in soup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, chocho. Okay.
I know.
Anyways, off of that. This is not for it's a family show.
yeah.
Oh my god. So we were talking about rake and scrape, but actually they were playing it in the airport.
Yeah, they do.
And it was kind of funky.
One of my favorite artists, well, he's dead now, is Ronnie Butler.
Ronnie Butler?
Yeah, he's more or less the king of reggae strip, yeah.
Okay.
He carried the Bahamas with that. But him and KB, they do some really good songs. I like Ancient Man too, and D-Mac.
Okay. So research rake and scrape.
Ronnie Butler got the most hits. More straightforward. And
very straightforward and very, very, very explicit.
Very vulgar.
I mean, I actually stopped listening. I don't really listen to dancehall like that, to be honest. I don't. I know the people, like, from back in the day though, like from the 90s or early 2000s. But these new people now, I don't know them. I don't know them. But it's just, they need more variety. Not just about vagina and daggering and gun. That is it. Gun and punani. That's it. That's it.
In that time.
Yeah.
Even rap is the same thing too.
Well, rap has more variety to me. Because of course it's a much bigger industry. America's a much bigger country, so they have more things to talk about. I think it's the most current type of music. Like whatever happens today, they're gonna rap about it.
Yeah.
So they already have the N95 and the coronavirus references. Yeah. Oh, this is where now? This is
Blue Hill Road.
Blue Hill
Just one of the roundabouts.
Yeah. No, I like the buildings. A very
street. That's National Health NHI.
Oh yeah. So I'm a former public servant, so I like to see the government buildings for some reason.
Yeah, we got upgraded ones.
Yeah.
The old ones run down bad. That one has NHI over there. And that one has credit union. Anybody who's salaried, they can go there and save their funds. Back here is Garden Hills. It's the most prettiest place in Nassau. Now here and out Gambia. We're in the west.
Oh, it's a nice house.
Yeah, that's a fine car. A fine live there.
Who live there?
A fine car.
A biker? A banker?
Yeah.
Oh, my apologies.
That's okay.
We're getting used to each other's accents.
I think a large hall, a large hall down here.
Large hall?
Next to the church, right next to the church.
What is this? Oh, the funeral. Oh. Lodge?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you don't want to talk to the Jamaicans about lodge. No.
Really?
They think it's something satanic.
Yeah, us too. But so much Bahamians in it. Including like
What is
pastors.
is it like a Rotary Club type of thing? Is that what it is?
It's more like a brotherhood.
Brotherhood.
For the community.
Is there women involved or just men?
They have women lodges as well.
Oh, lodges is
We have a lot of them over here, like a lot. Different, but it's probably different.
But they're out in the open. I think in Jamaica, and then nobody knows where the lodge is. They recently found dead bodies in a lodge, like a old rundown lodge, like it used to be a lodge. They found several skeletons.
Wow.
So that only reinforces the fear that people have for lodges.
We all know lodges are like shady, shiny stuff, but they don't want to talk about because like they have it everything on like sworn to secrecy. But so many people in this country in the lodge.
Okay.
Especially the ones that like who are like high posts and what's not like residing. Yeah, most of them in the lodge. I went to my grand's church in Andros.
The pastor is a lodge member.
He was talking about it when he was talking. I was like, I don't think it was a mix, but I guess. Do you hold? Okay. And a great lights, yeah. Yeah, I was like, you can't serve God and lodge. It's still in the lodge.
Yeah, but yeah, I think we need to like confirm what is a lodge. Because if a pastor is gonna be in the lodge, that's kind of, what is that, an oxymoron, a paradox, contradiction? I see a lot of churches.
We have a lot of
they say Jamaica has the most churches per square mile in the world.
Girl,
and beside every church there is a bar. It's the same thing.
It's a bar and a numbers house.
And a numbers house. Numbers house means a lottery, yeah. So we have that in common. Churches, bars, lottery, lodge.
Every day.
And I see why we don't get along more. We're like the same. the stereotype is that the islands don't like each other for some reason.
Yeah, the Bahamians really are saying me better than everybody. Like, Bahamians have that kind of, like, that kind of thing about them. I'm like, we all eat better than everybody, though. That's why other people in the Caribbean don't like y'all. So you can humble yourself, Bahamians, because I don't know.
I don't really know that much about Bahamians, you know. I don't know if you know Major Hype, that comedian. He doesn't do the Bahamians. I've never seen him do Bahamians.
I don't think so.
He always do.
Yeah.
I figured as much.
Only I'm with the man named Prince Mani, or Prince and Mani. Yeah, he was here I think once or twice doing comedy stuff. Yeah, but I think he was a good. How was he? Who knows that?
And his identity is secret. It's a secret. He doesn't want anybody to know where he's from. Really? Some people don't know where. No people think he's Jamaican.
But he sounds Guyanese.
He does the Jamaican very good. So that's like a battle as to where he belongs.
No, but for the longest time he's been like sounding Guyanese. Like,
yeah. Well, Guyanese and Jamaicans they sound similar. So. So Major Hype, you need to tell us where you come from.
Why are you hiding that?
I think because he does not want to cause conflict among the islands. He don't belong to none of them.
Wow. I think no what's that talk. You got to spend time before you get this accent properly.
Yeah. There's my car. Here's my car that crashed.
Well, I hope by the time we get back it's fixed.
Yeah, I hope so.
Something like that. Something gotta give.
Was there like for independence, how did you guys celebrate independence? How does the country as a whole celebrate independence?
We do like a tattoo. It's like a festival, not a festival, it's more like a show where they have like the Marines and police and stuff, the defense forces and perform together, do like a march and having a governor general walk up and down, I guess, moving there. It's a big old show.
Okay.
And they have like Bahamian artists performing and the gospel artists performing as well.
Does it happen at the stadium? Is there a stadium here?
It happens at Fort Charlotte.
Fort Charlotte?
Yeah. Across from Awaki, so it's Awaki up here by the beach. There's a Fort Charlotte on the hill, so it's always up there.
Okay.
And do like a light. Well, they normally do fireworks after, like during, I guess the midnight ringing.
Okay.
But this year they had like a light show. And they follow like the Bahamian flag and flamingos and yeah. I wasn't there.
You don't do that, you know. Yeah, as a child, you know. But it's a huge deal in Jamaica still for everybody, from children to adults. They have something at the National Stadium, huge events. You know, we have a lot of entertainers and stuff like that. And this year is the 60th, so it's a huge deal.
Oh,
the 60th year, the Jubilee, the Diamond Jubilee.
Oh, that's
very, very queeny and Britishy. Is this where the restaurant is?
Yeah, at count the houses. Before I can't find it. She said 10 house. So I was going to.
On 92.5 Bahamian on nothing, bringing you all the best of Bahamian music. Make sure you keep your dials locked to Bahamian on nothing 92.5.
Is it number 10 Studio outside? Okay, okay. So this is St. Vincent Road?
No, I turned off the French food country.
Oh.
I have not the right place. We'll get some minutes.
What is the festival this evening? What is it? Junkono?
It's the Gombe.
Gombe. What is Gombe?
It's this Junkono. They do Junkono.
Oh, that's Gombe is another word for Junkono?
Sort of kind of like Gombe is more like Junkono or we can scrape like more like it's more like a musically inclined more music. Like how do I explain it?
Okay, you want to prepare?
It's like it's like Junkono or reggae strip with music. So it's not just drums or percussion. It's more like music.
So Gombe is music.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, music.
Oh,
So
that's
performer
good.
like I think you have Junkono groups so they're the night dancing as the main show. Yeah.
Because most of the islands, when I was doing my research, they have these Gombe festivals on the different islands.
Yeah, we go to different islands. The Gombe, some are breaking strips, some are just Junkono, some just eating and stuff like that. And Pineapple Fest, there's the Pineapple Fest happens in Europe. It went in June, I believe. Then Cat Island has their breaking strip festival. Yeah. And this is Crab Fest.
So these are annual events every year around the same time. Yeah.
To bring money into the islands.
Okay.
All the islands, yeah.
And what is a regatta or regatta?
It's more like a boat race, but it's a festival.
Okay.
You just go there and eat, drink, we'll have good music, artists and what's not coming out there, and watch the boat racing.
Okay, I read that they have the boat racing from Florida to Bimini. Is that's a regatta too? Yeah.
Bimini have their own thing probably.
Yeah.
Probably. Because I haven't been Bimini yet, so I don't know. I haven't been there yet. I want to go.
So I've been doing my little research, reading up on here.
Yeah.
Another thing that I want to find out, like what I find interesting, and even on Carl's shirt today, Carl is her son. He has a baseball shirt. I realized that Bahamians do very well in baseball.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, on baseball, and we have two persons. Oh shit! Sorry.
Maybe okay,
Yeah.
you don't want to talk and you can't
We
do
do baseball, and we have some folks in basketball too in the States. Only two so far.
Yeah.
Because Clay Johnson, he's Bahamian, but he's not, like, he didn't grow up.
He has from descent. He's from Bahamian descent. Okay.
Like Rick Fox.
Like who?
Rick Fox.
Oh, Rick Fox is Bahamian descent?
Yeah, and Lenny Kravitz too.
Lenny Kravitz as well. Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I think I
Yeah,
okay, because he has a house here.
Yeah,
and
he's
he's very, very much a part. Well, he's on the Bahamian government website promoting Bahamas on his boat and mixing and mingling with the people.
Yeah, he loves,
So baseball is, Jamaica loves sports, and Jamaica wants to be in every sport, but baseball is something that people don't talk about. It's not an interest in Jamaica at all. Maybe there's a Jamaican baseball club or group or somewhere.
Yeah?
But I realize that Jamaicans don't talk about baseball.
I don't know, we have like whole farms and stuff called baseball farms for the kids.
Oh.
So they start from that, from being kids playing baseball, and that's how they get to go off to the States and stuff.
Oh, okay, that's
teams.
interesting. That's interesting because as well, I was looking at the history of Bahamas, and there's a close connection with Cuba and I think Dom Rep way back in the past. So it's coming from somewhere because Cuba loves baseball too.
Yeah?
Yeah, and Dom Rep too. So I like to trace the origins of stuff.
Oh, tell I know where I was from there. I can't say. I can't say. Because they were trying to finalize what would be like our national sport. Because I'm like, we don't really have national sport. We can't say cricket because no one here plays cricket. Like we have some persons play it, but not many people like
well, I don't think we have a national sport. We're good at a lot of sports.
Yours should be national, but damn track.
Yeah, well, yeah. Track and field is like, that's the same with baseball for you, with the kids. It starts from the schools and they have primary and prep champs, that they call them. Like they're huge. They like,
really?
The stadium is full.
Oh, wow.
And I mean, when it comes to high schools, people are like loyal to their high schools, no matter how old you are. In the States, it's like colleges or universities, but in Jamaica, it's a high school. Which high school you went to? It's like, if you tell them which high school you went to, they sum you up.
Size you up.
Yeah, size you up. So the track and field starts from very young.
Well, I'm stupid, not like that. Not definitely.
But Bahamas does well in tracks.
Yeah, we do.
Now and then.
We do that.
I see one or two people come on my feed. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, we do well sometimes.
So this is what chicken wings and fries, and then she had fried conch,
Crack conch, yeah.
crack conch.
Yeah.
But it's just fried.
Yeah.
I'll just take a video of it.
And fry it.
So they what, beat the conch?
Yeah, tenderize the conch.
Tenderize the conch, and then fry it. It tastes really good.
Ooh, wash your hand again.
I'm enjoying Bahamian food so far. I was kind of safe with the chicken.
Yeah.
But I know what the crack conch tastes like now. So I like it. This is the crack conch right here. Crack conch. Tenderized conch and fried.
Go sit down, MJ. Get, go. Because
What
we have
do?
some, the white folks are doing now downtown.
So I'm gonna try Bahamian bear.
Pirate Republic bear. With media. But Bahamian bears are Khalik and Sans for sure.
How do you pronounce it? Khalik?
Khalik and Sans bears.
Khalik. It's a mango bear.
Radler.
What is radler?
It's called Radler.
Radler mango?
Yes. Mango Radler.
Mango radler. Okay.
Can you have a sip? No! Why not? It's mine. Please?
This is really good.
Please?
2% alcohol only. Good.
Written down. Throat. Go away after me.
More, please?
No. Get your ass in the Thank you very much. Go away. Mine's mine.
So far, I'm enjoying the food here. You know, we Jamaicans are very biased. I think our food is the best food.
Your food good. It is good.
It is very good. What were you saying about the patties earlier? They have hot patty in Bahamas here.
They have beef, they have chicken. Oh, veggie as well. And then Bever's Kitchen, I'm just started doing their patties. And they have soy patties. Instead of her, are really good. I've never had before. So I gotta try it this week. Let me try a soy patty.
Oh, so you never tried a soy patty before?
No.
Okay, it's good. I can tell you.
Just a new thing.
So soy patty, beef with cheese, chicken with cheese, lobster, goat meat.
That should be good.
Yeah,
That should be good.
curry goat too.
Some curry goat. Should be good.
Actually, everything, anything you can put in that.
I'm gonna do ackee and codfish loaf.
Oh, I can
In the
come with
bread.
loaf.
The loaf. Not a patty crust. They put it in the bread instead.
Okay. I'd like to try that. Ackee with conch?
No, I can codfish.
Oh, codfish. Oh, okay, sawfish. Okay. That's our national dish.
Yeah, I know. We love it. It tastes really good. Oh, so tender. It's fresh.
It's done very well.
I got the breakfast in here earlier.
Yummy!
Say hi.
Hi.
What you having?
Soup.
What kind of soup? It's turkey soup.
Turkey soup.
Turkey soup.
Turkey soup.
Yeah, this is my first time having turkey soup. You know, I've never had turkey soup before. This is my first time. Yeah? Turkey soup. Tastes good. Looks like our soup. Come, let's have soup together.
Testosterone.
I need a phone mount.
Yeah.
Yay.
But can I take a picture of my soup, please?
You want to take a picture of your soup, please? You see that?
Yeah.
Manners. He says, please. Yes, of course. Cal, where are we going today?
We're going to the beach.
Which beach? Do you know? We're going to many beaches.
We're only going to one beach.
Of course. Kids always tell the truth. So,
No, you're not.